Hi, I'm Val from Quilty Pleasures, and I'm going to make a confession right now. I love using adhesives, spray adhesives for various things, and I've been demoing some of these products and I've messed up our iron here at the store. And Leslie doesn't know. So I have to clean it before she finds out. So I might as well show you how Bohin hot iron cleaner works because it's going to save my bacon. So it's just a stick, and the iron is hot, which is why it's called hot iron cleaner. And so you just kind of smear it on the sole plate, and it melts a little bit, and it steams, and it kind of smells. But you just do that, and then you take a good thick wad of paper toweling and wipe it off. Look at what I did that Leslie doesn't know about. With luck, she won't. There we go. So, I think I did it. Yes, all good. So, I'll be at work tomorrow, and all will be fine. Thank you.